What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This intense investor here coming at you again. What if I told you there was another way to make even more profit using Bitsgap trading bot using leveraged tokens on Kucoin exchange? Let me show you how that works. So guys, recently I've been experimenting with these 3 times leverage tokens on Kucoin. They're 3 times leverage. They got BTC, ETH, VeChain, Bitcoin Cash, and Cardano. And I think EOS. Those are the ones that you can trade with on Kucoin. So I wanted to experiment with it and see what kind of profit I could use if I used them with the grid trading bot, the Bitsgap grid trading bot. So let me show you what happened after I just ran these for like a day. Actually, the ADA 3 long, which is 3 times leverage. That's for a bull market. You can also run a 3 times leverage short token. Now these tokens, they won't liquidate you. If you go into the negative too far, it works like any other spot traded token. If the price is going up in the bull market and you're running the ADA 3 long token, then you're going to make 3 times the profit you normally would. If you're shorting, say if you're running the 3S token, then you're going to make, 3 times, if the market goes down, 3 times profit you normally would. And as you can see how these work, the market's going up right now. It's bullish. So if you were to try to short that, you'd be in the negative. But if you long it and you match what the market's doing in a bull cycle like we're having now, you're going to make 3 times the profit. Like normally, BTC changed 7%. But if you run that BTC 3 long USDT pair, you'd made 21%. So I started yesterday. It's been about 24 hours. I ran the ADA 3 long USDT pair. By itself, ADA had an 18% increase, but the ADA 3 long token had a 49% increase, which is pretty crazy. I'm also trying this one, the VeChain 3 long token. There's a Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, like I just said, and then the ETH. BTC, ETH, VeChain, ADA, those are the ones I'd run. But I mean, as you can see, even Litecoin's doing good. I don't really invest in Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash. I stay away from those. I stay away from EOS. I think the main developer walked away from the project there, or quit the project. So I lost interest in that. I really never invested in it much. So BTC, ETH, ADA, VeChain. Those are the main ones right there that I'm going to focus on. So let me show you the results I got. I just wanted to make a quick video. Figured it might help you guys out. If you are interested in using Bitsgap, my link is in the description. I appreciate if you use it. If you find Bitsgap via my video, I make a lot of tutorial videos on Bitsgap about how to trade, how to set it up, how to set the bots up, what parameters, variables to use, the percent profit, the grid step, the lower upper prices, all that good stuff. So if you would, click on the link if you don't mind. It's totally up to you. I'm not trying to shill it to you, but it's a great program. You can do a lot with it. And the grid bot can actually make quite a bit of money. Before the market started going down in the previous bull cycle between January to April or May or March, about 3 months time period, I made about $33,000 with Bitsgap trading bot, and I do have a video on that if you want to check it out. And like I said, I got a lot of Bitsgap videos. So anyway, let me show you the results I got from running these 3 long USDT pairs, and maybe you can try it out, and I'll show you what I recommend with those as far as a stop loss or take profit percentage, because you don't want to get caught longing something and then the market drops, or you want to be caught shorting something and then the market comes up really fast and you get wrecked, because you are looking at 3 times more change than you would if you just ran that pair by itself without the 3 times leverage. So let me show you how this works and take it from there. So here we are on my Bitsgap trading bot dashboard. As you can see, I had some good entries. This is an ADA USDT pair, just a regular pair on Binance. I was able to start it at the bottom, believe it or not, and you can see it actually worked its way up. I mean, it's all the way up to $2.11 now, so that one worked out really good. I've actually made $765 profit off that one. We went all the way from $1.40-ish to, dang, it's all at $2.11 right now. So yeah, VeChain's ADA's melting faces right now. So then you see like the difference, right? The regular ADA USDT token, 765 profit with 28,000 USDT. But then you go to the ADA 3 long USDT pair, which is the leverage, 3 times leverage pair. I've made $2,991 profit just in that 1 hour. It looks like about 2 o'clock a.m. August 13th, which was last night, early morning hours in the US. Made 964 USDT in 1 hour, and the hour before that almost 500. And this is off a substantial amount of money. You don't have to use this much money, but the more you do put in it, your profits are going to be a lot higher. So I mean, we're looking at total change. Let's see, is 2.72%, and the bot profit is 2.72%. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, the bot profit on the 3 long pair was 10.78%, and then the total change, which includes the bot profit, that's 11%. So that's pretty nice. That means you're in a really good bull market if this change number is actually higher than your bot profit number. So if I were to subtract that 10.8%, minus the 11, you would be left with what the actual, the actual cryptocurrency changed. And as you can see down here, ADA USDT, you had 3.55% on the normal pair. That includes 2.75% bot profit. So guys, something that's really important to remember if you try to run these 3 times leverage tokens in the grid bot is you probably definitely want to set up a take profit. You can set that probably, say I've already made 10% profit on this one with the ADA pair. I'd probably set my take profit to 10%. And you could also set a stop loss, so that way if it falls back down, past a certain range. Hold on a second. Yeah, ADA is crazy. Look at that. Holy shit. Pardon my language, but anyway, if this goes the opposite way and falls down, you definitely want to stop the bot because you're going to have 3 times the losses. But since we're running the long pair, 3 times leverage, if it's going up, you're going to be okay, right? As long as it don't go down. So you need to check that. This is different than just running a regular .USDT, ETH USDT, ADA USDT pair. You really need to keep track on that, or you need to set like a take profit. That way, when you get that profit, that 5 or 10%, especially on a large amount of money, because I mean, 10%, $30,000 is $3,000. So that's pretty good profit. You can take that USDT, you can invest it and hodl some other coins. You can farm it. You can buy pancake swap tokens and, stake it and make money. So you can put this money you're making in the bot to other uses. That's what I like to do, That way you're spreading out, you're diversifying across DeFi exchanges. You're making money with your bots. You can put some in like Celsius. I mean, you can really spread it out. Don't put all your money in one basket. That's really important. That's one of the rules for investing, whether it's stock market, crypto. And I just want to say, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but these are just things I've picked up, you know, in the couple years I've been investing in stocks, crypto, you know, that kind of stuff. You might also want to check out one of my other videos I made on spawning additional bots off the profit you make on these bots. You know, I could spawn like another bot for sure with that $3,000 profit. You know, I could spawn a BTC bot on here. And I am running a BTC 3 long position, but you know, it also made $500 off $23,000 bot in just 1 day, 9 hours. We look at it. Yeah, I had a $67 hour. That's probably around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's today, August 13th. I'm using like about a 0.64% grid step on the ADA one. I am using a 0.75% grid step, but that just blew my mind right there, how much that ADA bot made with that 3 times leverage pair, especially in that 1 hour. That's $964, and then the hour before that, $456. But if you look at these other hours, I mean, you're making like 50, 58, 40, 103, 80, 45, 111, 101. There's not many jobs that pay you $100 an hour or even $50 an hour. I mean, I make pretty good living at my career job that I do, but a lot of times the stuff with crypto, man, it just totally blows it out of the water and surpasses it. So that's why I'm so excited about the crypto. It's really exciting. I mean, that's why there's so much excitement in the industry, and that's why it's not going to go away. No matter what kind of bills or laws they kind of pass. I mean, it's going to be here. You know, it's a new technology. It's emerging. It's just like the internet back in the 80s, 90s, you know, America Online, Mindspring, telling you how old I am now, but, you know, it's not going away. It's exciting for a lot of people, so cool stuff. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I want to make a lot of money. I'm sure you guys want to make a lot of money, so we can make a lot of money together. And, you know, all these bots together here, one of them's been running 5 days, the other's 2 days, but a lot of these just been running, you know, let's say 1 day, 6 hours. So that's probably about $3,600 right there in just a day off of my investment amount. So, you know, the top 2 exchanges I recommend using are KRAKEN and Kucoin. I used to use BINANCE US a good bit, but I'm kind of getting away from them because there's been some weird stuff going on with Binance. And I used to also notice when I would go to withdraw that I wouldn't be able to withdraw certain coins. So that kind of turned me off to Binance, even the US version. And I think the BINANCE US guy, the one that ran that operation, he actually stepped down and left. So there's something weird going on there. Coinbase, I'm okay with Coinbase. You know, the only thing I usually use Coinbase for, I don't use it with any bots. I usually just use it to buy crypto, and I'll buy it with my checking account, not my debit card, so I still pay a pretty low interest fee. You know, I use Cash App too to buy Bitcoin. Then you can send a Bitcoin and convert it to anything. I got links to all that in my description if you're interested in any of it. But those are the things I do. I had to figure it out. I used to use crypto.com a lot, but my bank banned me from using that. That was like last year when they had zero fee. When you bought something, 0% fee. But then they changed it. I think they're charging like 1% something now. But anyway, that's really all I got for now. I just wanted to show you how good these 3 times leverage tokens work in the bot. But just be careful. Make sure you take profit or you put a stop loss on it. So if you're longing it and it starts to come down, you can exit before you lose a lot of money, you know, because a crash in crypto can happen so fast. I mean, you might go eat a sandwich and come back and the whole dang market might be crashed. So just keep that in mind. That's really all I got. I got links in the description if you're interested in Bitsgaps, exchanges, any of that stuff. But you guys Stay good. Have a good evening, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.